The first time I tried the ab wheel rollout was in my early 20s, and it's definitely one of the most challenging, most difficult exercise I've ever had to do. Based on the name, I thought it was just an exercise for six-pack abs based on the name ab wheel rollout. Turns out I was wrong because when doing the ab wheel rollout demands way much more than just core strength. And that's the reason why many people fail at it. So if you've tried to do the ab rollers and it felt impossible, it felt painful, and it just didn't feel right, I got you, because in this video we're going to be discussing why you can't do the ab rollouts, the benefits of mastering it, and how to finally do it the right way even as a beginner. So without further ado, let's get to it. So the ab wheel roller is one of the most underrated but powerful tools for building real core strength and stability. It works every layer of your core: your rectus abdominis, which is the six-pack muscles, the transverse abdominis, which is your deep core stabilizers. It works your obliques, and it even works your lower back and your lats. Plus, it helps to improve posture, balance and body control, shoulder mobility, and upper body strength. And it helps to improve overall athletic performance. And best of all, it's affordable, portable, and can be used anywhere. So if the ab wheel rollout provides all these amazing benefits, then why can't many people do it? Well, that's because they lack these five key things. Let's talk about how to fix these problems step by step, safely and effectively, so that you can develop a stronger core and experience all the benefits of doing the ab wheel rollouts. Like this. So here are five key reasons why people struggle with the ab wheel rollouts. The first and obvious reason is they have weak deep core muscles. You see, most people don't train the deep core. Without a strong base, your spine collapses and your form falls apart. So the first thing to do, even before touching the wheels, is to master core engagement. You want to learn how to brace your core. Imagine you're about to receive a punch in your stomach. If you're about to take a punch, you'll know how to tighten all the muscles of the core. You'll make your belly so strong that when you receive the punch, the effect is not as much as when you're just free. Another way you can learn to brace your core is by using your fingers. So what you want to do is place your fingers on the sides of your stomach and then force it in. And now use your stomach to try to force your fingers out. So as you are doing this, you are learning to brace your core. The number two reason is poor pelvic and spinal control. You need anti-extension strength. Your core must be able to resist arching. Without that, your hips drop, your back sags, and the exercise just feels wrong or painful. So the second thing to do to master the ab wheel rollout is to tuck the pelvis. You want to imagine bringing your tailbone towards your ribs. That way you are activating your deep core and you are protecting your spine as you go through the motion of doing this exercise. The number three reason why people struggle with this exercise is shoulder, lats, and arm weakness. Your lats, shoulders, and triceps play a big role in rollout control. If they are weak, you'll struggle to roll back in without collapsing. So you want to keep your shoulders protracted, that is, pushed slightly forward, and don't let your elbows bend or collapse inward. Your lats and shoulders should stay engaged throughout. And once you go low, if you're experiencing any low back pain, then you are going too far or you're losing form. So back off, regress the movement, and rebuild with proper form. The fourth reason is too much range of motion too soon. The more you roll out, the more control you need. So if you're just a beginner, then you definitely need to start small. The fifth reason is poor mind-muscle connection. So if you don't know how to engage your core properly, you feel it in all the wrong places: your lower back, your hip flexors, and even your arms. So if there are any takeaways from this video, you should know that the ab wheel is not just an ab exercise. It's a full body test of control, strength, and coordination. So don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. It's totally normal. So just follow the steps, stay consistent, and you go from collapsing on the rollout to crushing it with confidence. So if this video helped, drop a like, leave a comment, let us know where you're stuck, and subscribe for more smart fitness content. Train smart, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.